Okay, we have created this menu. Now we need to create a collapse or drop down menu, right? For this purpose, first of all, we need to understand how can you collapse the material and which class is used for the collapse. We will create a simple button for image, for paragraph, something. And if we done successfully, then we will move our navigation bar into collapse menu. Okay. Go to the tag. We need to copy this one, create new file, save, collapse.html. I'm going to remove this one. Here I am creating a link, creating a button. Create a button. Right here, collapse or use these signs. Close the button. In the button, we are using the class btn and set the color btn success. Save and check output.
Success.
Oh,
E.
okay. Okay, we have this button. Now add the last time we have used the toggle for drop down. Here also we will write the toggles. Right? Data bs dash toggle. Here we will write toggle. Okay. Now also assign the ID. What things you need to toggle? You will assign your target. Data Bootstrap target. Set the target ID. The target ID should be D collapse. This is our ID. I am just assigning. Okay.
What is the difference between the toggle and the target?
Toggle is a property and the target. What should you want to implement this toggle function? Where you want to implement this function?
Can you explain it again? This toggle and this target.
Okay.
Data BS toggle and data BS target.
Okay. Just signing in the simple bit.
No, not that one. I'm talking about the data BS toggle and data BS target.
Okay. This is this toggle. This is our bullet. Okay. Bullet gun.
Okay.
Where the bullet should be hit, where the ID is my collapse, the bullet should be hit there.
Okay.
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 Okay. Now we should create ID. Create now div class. Create div class. Assign the class collapse.
My collapse.
No, just call the class collapse.
Okay.
Now assign the ID. What is ID? The same, but you should be placed here. Close. Now close this div. Okay. Here, what should we place? We are creating an heading. Heading for collapse. Close H1. Okay. Now check output. So working or not. Okay. Show the collapse. Show. It's not working.
The toggle is not working.
Yeah, token not working, but collapse is working. If I remove this property, this class, it's going to hide. If not, it's going to. Okay, then where is the problem? But my collapse, database target collapse. Just assign the button type. Code is okay.
Hmm.
No, we are using okay. Database together, it should be assigned the collapse because this is a collapse class. I think okay. No, it's working. Actually, we are calling a class. For example, this is the toggle class. The class name is collapse. But we have did mistake here. Toggle. Now you can see if you write anything between this code, everything will be collapse. Okay. Have you understand this script?
Yeah.
Okay. Now between here, you can write any menu and can collapse. For example, where is our left menu? This one. Copy and paste here. Okay, refresh, check. Now you can use the justify class here for center, for left, for right. This is our just simple collapse or drop down class. I'm also removing this one, show. By default, this should be hide. Okay, now check. It's okay. You can see it's working. By default, collapse is hidden. If you want to display, then you should write here collapse. Oh, sorry, show. Ilaj, have you any question? Sir. Actually, understand, this is our
Yes.
collapsing model, this code only. We have assigned a class collapse, ID my collapse. How ID will work? When we click on the button, then ID should work because this is collapse target. Between this div tag, you have gallery, you have paragraph, you have menu, you have navigation bar, whatever you have, this content will be collapsed, show and show off. Okay.
Okay.
This is our basic menu. And what we have studied today, create a menu or navigation bar, set their alignment, left, right, center, horizontal, vertical, and also the model collapse start, collapse close. Now you should work on the collapse. I'm also sending you the only collapse code for your understanding. Use these libraries, and this is the collapse function. Also, just understand one thing. Here, this is a button, remove button type. I'm creating a H1. H1 and remove this one. You can see it's working. Doesn't mean what are you using, doesn't matter. H1 button link etc. The matter is you are using toggle function and target function. For this you are using collapse class and you can implement this function. Okay. I'm going to share only this script for your in the meeting chat. You can copy just one thing. No. Okay. This is the code for collapse anything you want, for menu or for other things.